Benue is probably the only state in Nigeria where you can easily identify each of the ethnic group based on the clothing they make and wear. Each of the tribes, TV, Idoma, Igede, or Etulo, all have their clothing and even have a clothing called Benue United, comprising of all the tribes in the state. Okay, so along the way where we are walking right now is you'll find a lot of people selling different attires of the Benue people. Okay, so on TV people now get that. Ah, I see. Okay, the other one, second. This red one, Idoma. So this is TV, this is Idoma.
Igala.
What?
Igala.
Igera. Okay, this is Igera. Okay.
Igede.
This is what?
Igede.
Igebe. Okay.
This one are United.
United. But United no be in na tribe?
Benue United.
Okay, Benue United. Okay.
Idoma, Igede, comprising.
Ah, okay. Okay. So what about that one there? What's in the color?
This one,
TV put the use am too. If person want make you weigh B for am, if they weigh B.
even the one where they reach like 200, now with the weight it up 200.
Okay, so somebody now want buy, want make you weigh B am, you go fit weigh B am for am.
Yeah.
All right. So you'll give us your company card. We get company number. 081 66 43 8171.
Any color where you need, you go send your picture.
So once I send the picture, you go produce them,
Yes.
then you go ship and down.
Yes.
Okay,
People get
awesome.
their colors different.
Different, depending on what they want.
Here, man. So if you need, you can send your color.
Color.
Or you
Okay.
can bring your color.
Produce and send. What about the caps? Now the same thing too.
Yeah.
Different culture with different caps. Created in 1976, Benue is located in north-central part of Nigeria and is very rich in many agricultural produce. Hence, it is known as the food basket of the nation. Benue State is also where the largest yam market in West Africa is located, called Zakibia. Although unfortunately in recent times, because of the insistent killing of farmers in the state, it is very difficult for the state to maintain its place in food production.
Our yams then carry their cattle and come and eat it. So now we cannot have anything to go and find, and no way, even though as I tell you so, they kidnapped my brother and killed. So as they kill am for village and send, they call the number, the phone, carry the phone, call the family of the boy, so that we should go and carry the dead body. So now, even though to go village to go and pick that dead body is very difficult, unless government go help. If not, oh, this woman, if my brothers just went there to go and carry that dead body, they were killed there too. So now, no how, no way to go that village again.
Where I'm standing right now is one of the most popular junctions they have in Makudi, and also a symbol that represents what Benue State stands for, which is the food basket of the nation. All right, so that's what you have there. This area in Makudi is one of the most beautiful areas that you have. All right, so at my back, you have the government house, and all of this area is old GRA. I have this beautiful symbol just at my back. We are currently standing right now. It's called High Level Roundabout. Those of you who have visited Makudi before, we know that this place is a beautiful place. It's also one of the popular areas, popular roundabout that you have once you get into the Makudi town. All right, so this is how it looks like. The most notable thing about the state is the River Benue, from where it got its name. River Benue is the second largest river in Nigeria. The river is also a source of livelihood for many families who are either fishermen or sand gravel scavengers. Town is divided by the river into North and South Bank. While the South Bank houses most of the important establishments and offices like Government House, the CBN, Bank, GRA, among others. The North Bank houses other establishments like the Federal University of Agriculture, Nigeria Army School of Military Engineering, among others. Where we currently are right now is called North Bank. Alright, so North Bank is also one of the popular areas in Makudi. And right here, at my right hand side, will lead you to where they have a military barrack. Alright, and that's also where they have a command school and a technical school, which you can see at my back. This is their signboard. Let me take it up. So Right there you can see Nazmi Barak Makudi and Nigeria Army College of Environmental Science and Technology. Alright, so they have a school here, and as well they have an army barrack here, and that is just at my back. Okay, so here it's called North Bank. While Benue State may not be as popular as other states in Nigeria, especially on the internet, it is one of the cool places to visit, explore and experience new culture if you get the opportunity. Thanks for watching, and do check out other episodes we have on Benue State on the channel. And if you like this content, do subscribe and turn up your notification for more, and I'll see you guys on the very next episode. Okay.